This is Tyler Jones with Phillips Chevy. I am sitting in a Malibu LT. This is a new color we just got in. It's Butte Red. The LT comes with a touchscreen radio, power windows, power locks, cruise control as well. That is controlled through the steering wheel. It is also Bluetooth capable, so you can take your phone calls without taking your hands off the steering wheel. Also comes with a power sunroof. Very nice, people, very nice. You got cell phones? No problem. In the center console, we have a USB port and an auxiliary port. Do you still charge your phone with a cigarette lighter? We even have an outlet for that too. This car is available in stock, clean and beautiful. If you would like to take a test drive, give us a call at 815-469-2323, extension 320. This car will not be here for long. Thank you. Have a great day. I'm Tyler Jones. Bye.